Hi there, this is Antonia Van Becker, and welcome back to day 3 of our 5 Days to Better Sleep Challenge. Today we're going to talk about activating your anti-sleep awareness. And what I mean by that is, what activities do we do that actually stop us from sleeping? And what activities make it harder for us to fall asleep or stay asleep? One anti-sleep activity that most people know about is drinking caffeine. Caffeine affects people differently. Some people can drink it all day, like my dad did, and feel few effects. Other people can have a cup of coffee or tea and they're bouncing off the walls. How does coffee affect you? If you want to improve your sleep, there are 2 simple rules when dealing with caffeine. First, stop drinking anything with caffeine 4 to 6 hours before bedtime. Second, be aware of hidden caffeine in soda, chocolate, and tea, as well as in pain relievers, weight loss pills, diuretics, and cold remedies. Read the label and check it out. Sometimes it's surprising. Another thing we have to watch out for before we go to bed is eating. Everybody has to eat, right? But sometimes what we eat and when we eat it can disrupt our sleep. Eating a heavy meal or spicy meal too close to bedtime makes for uncomfortable sleep because it activates your digestion, making you have to go to the bathroom a lot. And usually, sleep slows down your digestive system, so sometimes that heavy meal can sit like a lump in your stomach, and then you're unable to get any Z's. Stop eating high-fat, high-protein, and spicy food 4 hours before bedtime. But if you're hungry, opt for a small piece of cheese and some sleep-friendly carbs like crackers, but not too much. The next anti-sleep activity on my list is drinking alcohol. Now, in small amounts, alcohol is a sleep aid. It's a good tranquilizer and relaxer. However, in larger quantities, it can cause you to wake up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, and sometimes it can cause headaches, nightmares, and night sweats. When you do sleep after many drinks, you stay in the light sleep stages 2 and 3, 1 and 2, and never go into your heavier sleep stages 3 and 4. And it's very dehydrating, which can cause a hangover in combination with the sleep deprivation. So the best advice is to drink 2 or less drinks or glasses of wine and have a glass of water for each drink. For best sleep, stop drinking 4 to 6 hours before bedtime. By the way, if you smoke, especially while you're drinking, that may be wrecking your sleep as well, because nicotine is a stimulant and will keep you awake. Now, to change gears, the only time exercising is an anti-sleep activity is if you do it right before bedtime. On the whole, exercise is something you'll want to do every day and increase your quantity in your search for better sleep. Exercise is a sure way to feel better. It stimulates digestion, brain activity, and your lymphatic system. It lifts mood and reduces stress. It can strengthen your circadian rhythms, promoting daytime alertness, and it can help bring on sleepiness at night. Studies show that daytime physical activity may stimulate longer periods of slow-wave sleep, the deepest and most restorative stages of sleep. However, just be sure to exercise several hours before your bedtime to ensure your body is ready for sleep. And the last anti-sleep activity that I'm going to talk about is screen time at bedtime. It's very easy to sit in bed at bedtime and read the news, answer your email, or even read a book or watch a movie on a highly lit screen. Remembering yesterday's topic about the light in our rooms, We must reinforce our circadian rhythms in order to get the body ready for sleep. If we stare at a highly lit screen, we're fooling our body's natural rhythm. So in order to enhance your ability to sleep, cut out the sleep time in bed or close to bedtime. Unplug. Converse. What a concept. So we've talked about limiting drinking, smoking, and eating close to bedtime, about doing more exercise during the day to enhance sleep, but not close to when you go to sleep, and to limit screen time near bedtime. Of all of these activities, which one will you choose to limit to see if that can enhance your sleep experience? On the Day 3 thread of the Facebook page, please write what your anti-sleep habit is going to be that you're going to try changing. Remember, one lucky person who completes the prompt on the Facebook page before midnight will win the daily prize of a $20 Amazon gift card. So until tomorrow for day 4, sweet dreams.